Today I'm making spaghetti frittata my way with you. Don't turn up your nose when you see my secret ingredient, because I assure you it's delicious. So before you criticize it, try making it. Let's get started. So first of all, one at a time, as usual, I crack the eggs into a container. As you can see, I first open them in a small bowl. I advise you, and I'll never tire of saying it, to always do it this way. That is, to open one egg at a time, first in a small bowl, and then add it to the other ingredients. Why? Because it's true. It's difficult, and I always say it. I won't stop saying it, but it could happen. A bad egg, especially if you've added everything else and add the eggs last. Like, potato pie, potatoes, salami, cheese, and all the other ingredients. When you open it, calm and relaxed. If the egg is rotten, then you have to throw everything away. So always open one egg at a time. All right, now I add the cream, I add the salt. I add a bit of pepper. Obviously the pepper is optional. I add the grated grana or Parmesan cheese. Then I cut the salami into cubes. I add it to the others and mix everything. Good, good. Very good. Now I add a bit of milk from the provola cheese that I sliced. I give it a quick stir, and then, since the water is boiling, I salt it and put the spaghetti in to cook. As you may have noticed, I used 2 different packs of spaghetti because this is also a recipe for using leftovers. The important thing is that the cooking time for the pasta is more or less the same, maybe just a bit longer. Start with one and then gradually add the others. In any case, I cook the pasta for 2 minutes less than the cooking time indicated on the package. Never run the pasta under water. Any type of spaghetti, including thick, thin, bucatini or vermicelli, is suitable. In short, have fun with it however you like. Okay, now I'll drain them and let them cool for at least 10 minutes. Very good. Now I'll put the spaghetti into the container with all the mixture and mix well. Then I add some extra virgin olive oil to a large pan, put in about half of the pasta, then add the provola cheese. I cover it with the remaining mixture. I arrange everything nicely, gather it all together, everything. I level it out nicely. After that, I cover it and let it cook for at least 15 minutes on low heat. Very good now. Let's check a bit to see if it's stuck. No, I turn off the heat just to be safe. I put a plate here to catch any oil that might drip. And I flip it. Here it is. I turn the heat back on, always low, adjust it a bit, cover it, and let it cook for another 15 minutes on low heat. We're done. I turn it off, put it on a plate. Look here, so let's see. Look here. Oh my goodness. I'm putting it down because I'm burning myself. Make this amazing thing and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll say goodbye for now and as always wish you a good meal.